what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So great, so relaxing. And then I just use the remainder of my hands because you can never go wrong with moisturizing your hands. That is one thing people forget. Okay, we're almost done. So next is my daily SPF moisturizer. This is from Pure Block, a South Korean brand. Just good for moisturizing my skin. And I just put 2 lines like that on my hand, and then I'm going to mix this with my favorite Ocean Caviar Regenerating Face Cream. Perfect. I love this face cream. I've never found a face cream so great as this. I'm so serious. See, just put 2 dollops like that, and then what I'll be doing now, I'll be mixing them together like this and applying it to my face, neck, and shoulders. Yep. And then rub it in my hands, like I said. And just make sure, take your time and rub it in thoroughly. They also get my lips because your lips is part of your skin too. It's part of your body. Your lips also needs moisturization. Yes, this is so good. Alright, and just doesn't hurt. I always like to finish it off with a light spray of the Mario Basque skincare skin spray. 3 is just more than enough. And that is it. Okay, so, you know, just my skin. And see, this is how I get my pretty perfect skin. Nice, plump, glass skin era. Glass skin energy. So one thing I do know that the elephant in the house is some of my products may be a bit expensive, and so don't worry, I'm here to give y'all the good dupes of these items. So I'm going to be finding all of the dupes. It's going to be on Amazon, so that you know. So basically for this Pure Block sunscreen, this is $7, $8, this is fine. The e.l.f. vitamin C serum, it is only $12.50, and that is actually on the lower tier of serums. I usually pay like not over $12 but up to $20. So basically this nail serum is $19.99, which I don't think is bad at all, but here is a good dupe for you. Okay, so here is one for $13. I'm going to put it on the screen, and this is a really good dupe, and this is the cheapest I found for similar quality. Okay, so my caviar moisturizer I paid is $80, and I will show you a real good dupe, and I already use it. So it's the Pond's anti-wrinkle rejuvenation one. For all of these products, I'm putting it in my Amazon store, so there'll be a link in my description and you'll be able to purchase these things instantly. Alright, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I really hope I could be of help. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!